Share and spread the soil knowledge with soilbooks.com.
Soil is the living, breathing skin of our planet. It is a complex ecosystem teeming with life, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest earthworms. This rich, fertile layer is essential for the growth of plants, which in turn support all other forms of life. It supports all life on Earth. Without healthy soil, our forests, fields, and gardens would not thrive. The diversity of plant life that grows in soil is a testament to its importance. From the tiniest microbes to the tallest trees, we depend on healthy soil. These microbes break down organic matter, enriching the soil and making nutrients available to plants. The roots of plants anchor into the soil, drawing up water and nutrients essential for growth. Soil gives us food, clean water, and even the air we breathe. The plants that grow in soil produce the oxygen we need, and the soil filters our water, keeping it clean and safe to drink. But this precious resource is under threat. Human activities are causing soil degradation and pollution, which jeopardize its ability to support life. Our modern lifestyles are polluting the soil. Industrial activities, agricultural practices, and improper waste disposal are introducing harmful substances into the soil. Harmful chemicals and waste are contaminating this life-giving resource. Pesticides, heavy metals, and other pollutants are seeping into the soil, disrupting its natural balance. This contamination, known as soil pollution, is a serious global problem. It affects food security, water quality, and the health of ecosystems. We must act now to protect our soil and ensure a healthy future for generations to come. By adopting sustainable practices and reducing pollution, we can restore the health of our soil and safeguard this vital resource. Soil pollution is the contamination of soil with harmful substances. It occurs when the concentration of these substances is higher than normal. These substances then disrupt the natural balance of the soil ecosystem. Pollutants alter the soil's composition. This makes it difficult for plants to grow and thrive. They can also leach into groundwater, polluting our water sources. Soil pollution is a silent threat that can have long-lasting impacts on our environment and health. The primary culprits of soil pollution are human activities. Industrial waste, often containing heavy metals and toxic chemicals, contaminates the soil. Agricultural practices, heavily reliant on pesticides and fertilizers, also contribute to the problem. Improper waste disposal plays a significant role. Dumping electronic waste, plastics, and other non-biodegradable materials pollutes the soil. These pollutants persist in the environment for years, contaminating the soil and harming living organisms. Releasing harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Section 5. Healing our Earth. Solutions for soil remediation. In this section, we explore various strategies and techniques aimed at restoring the health of our soil, which is essential for sustaining life on our planet. Addressing soil pollution requires a multi-pronged approach. It involves the collective efforts of farmers, scientists, and communities working together to implement sustainable practices. Transitioning to organic farming methods is crucial. Organic farming not only improves soil health but also enhances biodiversity and reduces the carbon footprint of agricultural activities. Reducing dependence on synthetic pesticides and fertilizers minimizes soil contamination. Natural pest control and composting are effective alternatives that promote a healthier ecosystem. Implementing effective waste management systems is vital. Proper recycling and waste disposal prevent harmful substances from leaching into the soil and water sources. Proper disposal of industrial and electronic waste prevents soil pollution at its source. Industries must adhere to strict regulations to ensure waste is managed responsibly. Reforestation efforts help restore degraded soil and prevent erosion. Planting trees and vegetation cover stabilizes the soil and enhances its nutrient content. Bioremediation, using microorganisms to break down pollutants, offers a promising solution for cleaning up contaminated soil. This innovative technique harnesses the power of nature to detoxify and rejuvenate the earth. Section 6. Our role in soil protection. Each of us can contribute to protecting our soil. Supporting sustainable agriculture by choosing organic food reduces the demand for harmful chemicals. Practicing responsible waste management by reducing, reusing and recycling minimizes waste ending up in landfills. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of soil health raises awareness. Advocating for stricter environmental regulations and supporting organizations working on soil conservation amplifies our impact. Section 7. A future grounded in healthy soil. The future of our planet depends on healthy soil. It is the foundation of our food systems, the bedrock of biodiversity, and a crucial element in combating climate change. By understanding the causes and consequences of soil pollution, embracing sustainable practices, and advocating for change, we can make a significant impact. We can restore and protect this precious resource through concerted efforts and innovative solutions. Let us cultivate a future where clean, fertile soil supports thriving ecosystems, nourishes our communities, and fosters a harmonious relationship with nature. This vision is not just a dream but a necessity for the well-being of all living beings. Together we can create a world where the ground beneath our feet is a source of life, not pollution. A world where future generations can thrive in harmony with the earth.